guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor and I work with extremely rich clients. Today I would like to tell you the concept of building a personal brand. So very often people don't understand what it means. And very often if we talk about salesmen who work with clients for decades, they got used to do something and they don't understand that the rules of this game changed. Nowadays, the approach to attracting clients is not the same as it was 5-10 years ago. And if you want to win this competition, you should follow new rules and to know how to show your opportunities and expertise using different kinds of social media too. And so, if you want to be well-paid specialist, you should build like a reputation in the specific sphere using social media. So everybody knows that reputation plays an essential role when you work with clients. But nowadays, the way to show this reputation is a bit different than it was some decades ago. Because of the internet and social media, people changed their way of choosing specialists. People pay money only to those who are not the best specialists, but who they trust. And if you want a person to trust you in situation when he didn't see you, it can sound strange, but it really works when you always make content in a regular basis and show your not only opportunities, work opportunities, but also your private life a bit. And so I ran social media during 6 years, and it was really shocked for me when people met me and felt that I am like the best their friend. So this is interesting aspect of our brain, that when we watch somebody on a regular basis, we think about this person as he is our friend, relative, and something like that. And it is great opportunity that everybody, salesman, should use. So you should understand that if you build a reputation without social media, you will not earn as much money as you can having a lucrative personal brand on the internet. And of course, there are a lot of people who will tell you how to run social media to become popular, but they don't know how to sell using social media. The biggest advantage of me is that I already worked with different types of clients and I know how difficult it is to run social media, to develop them when you are very tired, busy, and no, so when you are very busy, when you work for a company, for example. And so if you want to become well-known specialist, it is not enough to make virus content in reality. So building a personal brand, it is like a building reputation, but online. It is the same, but you should know how to show your advantages using online services, not making only virus content. It will not bring you money. No, you should know that the amount of followers is not equal to amount of clients. So you can have 10 million followers, but none of them is your client. And if you attract attention of big audience, it cannot lead you to success. So people on the internet who tell you how to run social media, they can know how to attract attention of followers, but they don't know how to attract attention of real clients. But if we talk about businesses like real estate, stock market, art business, only clients who pay you money, who buy something, will bring you commissions. So you work on commissions. And that is why you should know how to correctly post your content, which ideas you should share with your audience. And you should know that people trust you when they see you on a regular basis, but they will come to you and become your client. So this person, a person will come to you and work with you only in situation if he understands you are as a person, and also as you are a professional. And if you make not correct content, it can lead you to a lot of followers, but none of them will become your clients. And you will spend too much energy on attracting attention of big audience. No, you should, when you develop yourself on the internet, you should always understand which segment of clients you attract, and all your content should work for you. It shouldn't be virus videos. It should be videos with great ideas, with that show your advantages, show your opportunities. And also, if you make content not interesting, then people will not follow you at all. And that is why it is essential to combine you as a specialist and you as a person. So people, you will attract people who will suit you more if they understand your character, your valuables. And that is why it plays essential role to know how to build this reputation. So it is like a concept of showing yourself, your best parts on the public. To tell the truth, it can be only like role. So you shouldn't be those who you are in reality. Of course, on the one hand, people will understand that you are not that kind of person who they thought. But on the other, maybe you don't need to lie to your audience, but you cannot show all things. So you should show your failures, but you should not show all failures. You should know how to correctly use your failure, how to show what you really wanted to show. So you should do it such way that this person will not think that it is failure, but he will think that, oh, you won, something like that. And so when you build a lucrative personal brand, it is not always about the amount of followers that you have. It is it is how people see you in their eyes. And I really think that you should be more as you are in real life. But each type of content should have a sense that leads a person to the sale. So you shouldn't make a lot of useful content that don't bring you money. You should know how to attract a client. So my point of view is that using social media nowadays is essential. But if you do it not correctly, then you will not become successful and you will not earn a lot of money. You should know problems of your potential clients, pain, and also you should know how to show yourself. For me, it is quite easy process because I always know how to make a paper of the sweet. It is my strong part. So I know how to show people what is profitable for me. And I really think that everybody can do the same. And if you make your social media and the concept of building a personal brand, not thinking about social media itself, but to paying attention, focusing on your reputation on the public, everything will become easier.